Sir, camera's going.
Okay, just turn it off, turn it off. Hello everyone, and welcome into our home, which is now finally super close to being done. Today I thought it would be really fun to do a home tour and just show you the progress we've made since my first video I made in this house, which was back in August. And so I just wanted to walk you through and show you the clips from my previous video, as well as this one, to kind of document the change. Today I wanted to take you through and just show you what the state is right now so that you can see the progress as it progresses. So basically when you first walk in, this is what you see. This is our living room. We're going to be redoing the floors, retexturing, redoing some of the taping, painting, trimming out the windows, and last but not least, of course, building a cute hearth for that little stove and probably repainting the stove. Then if you walk over here, this is our kitchen. We just tore out the cabinets. I'll show some before pictures. There was a lot of stuff in here. We're still in the process of cleaning out. Obviously, you can see by the toilet paper. We're going to be putting in new cabinets. We're going to redo the floors once again, retexture, trim out the window, and we're going to be building this wall out so that our fridge can go under the stairs a bit and just give us a little bit more space to have cabinets in the kitchen. In my first video, I explained how we were going to redo sheetrock, redo texturing, redo trim, redo floors, redo the stove. All that is done. We did build out the wall like we talked about, in which we could put the fridge in, which is fantastic. This is our little dining room. We have our living room. And then over here is our kitchen, which turned out far beyond my greatest expectations. I absolutely love this kitchen. We put in all new cabinets, all new appliances, and I just love the way it turned out. One of my favorite features in this kitchen is this farm sink, which was pretty expensive, but it's so easy to do lots of dishes in. It holds a ton of stuff, which is fantastic for me because I hate doing the dishes. And these appliances we got super cheap are also just really beautiful. So then if you walk over here, this is the bedroom. This is where my little daughter is probably going to be sleeping. We are going to once again be taking out this nasty carpet, trimming out the windows, texturing, painting, redoing the floors, and possibly cutting a hole in this wall to make a closet that's under the stairs behind the fridge. So we'll keep you updated if we do that. In the last video, I told you about how we were going to do this room as my daughter's room, and we had to retexture, we repainted, we put in new lights, we put in new flooring, we tore out the old carpet that was in here that I talked about in that video. And we also built this really neat window seat. I can put storage in it, so it adds extra storage, which is always fantastic in a really small house like this where there's not a lot of it. We did build out these closets that are going to have the sliding barn doors, and my husband built these beautiful shelves where I can keep all of our extra food. Over here is our one bathroom of the house, but this is also the most tricky room because it's not only the bathroom but also the laundry room. So right now my husband is putting in these studs and we're reframing a little bit of this to create a separate room from the bathroom and the laundry room. So this is gonna be our laundry room. It'll be tight because this is our water tanks, and whoever laid out this house didn't do the best job deciding where to put certain things, as you can see. So we're just gonna try and work around it, try and hide it as best we can, and create a separate small room for the bathroom. The tricky thing also is that we're going to have to redo some of the plumbing and some of the electrical, so we'll keep you updated how that goes as well. So in that previous house tour video before the remodel, I kind of explained this bathroom and how it was a bit of a difficult layout because we have the water tanks in here and there was a lot of things that just really kind of destroy the look of the bathroom. So I wanted to show you so far what we've done and a few more things that we're going to do to complete it, but it is so much better. My husband framed in this wall and he framed in this one to kind of divide the two rooms, the laundry room from the bathroom. And we are still going to have a sliding barn door on this just to make it look a little bit better because this is kind of the uglier area. But I mean, for now I'll probably just hang up a curtain or something. We will get to those barn doors eventually, and I'll do another video probably when those are done. But this is already so much better. We redid the floors, retextured, redid a whole bunch of the sheetrock in here. My husband and I tiled this bathroom shower, which is one of my favorite features in this bathroom. We kind of have this little area for our toilet, but we needed it because the pipes go through this wall for both the shower and the toilet, so we left that there. We have this really cute vanity over here. My husband is such a carpenter and he is so skilled. He actually built this himself and it's just amazing. It can hold our toothbrushes, a lot of storage in here, and a small amount of space, which is just fantastic. So that is our bathroom and our laundry room and kind of how it's turned out so far. And I think it's just turned out fantastic. I love it. My husband also did this little bit of wood with our fixtures that turned out really, really well. And then the one other thing I wanted to show you, with that extra wood that my husband's been putting the hooks and stuff on, he built this really neat hanger to hang up all my mops and brooms and everything. And then I just tie them on with string if they don't have some type of hook to hook them on, and it keeps it all out of the way since there's not a ton of extra storage space that we can just put everything. The one other thing I wanted to mention in here is that my husband built these really nice shelves. We had extra butcher block from the kitchen counters, and so he built these. We print this on. This is a towel rack, but it works so great to hang hangers on. And then, as you can see, it's not totally organized yet. I've yet to figure out exactly where I'm putting like my cookbooks and stuff, but it's great extra storage. The last room in our house is the upstairs, and that's probably going to be our master bedroom, so I'll take you up there and show you that as well.
Toilet paper.
So as you can see, we're probably going to have to completely redo these stairs, or at least put flooring over them or something. We might redo the railing as well. And then up here, this is the upstairs loft bedroom, and I'm really excited about this room because we're also going to retexture, repaint, do the floors. I have this idea of maybe making some type of like a love seat here with cabinets underneath, doing cabinets on the side of the walls to try and open up the space and get a little bit more storage in this small house. Re-trimming out the windows, but I'll keep you updated, let you know what we decide. So with these ceilings, it is hard to not have a lot of wasted space. So my husband had the genius idea to build these drawers that actually pull out from the wall, and in these you actually get a lot of storage. And so he built these. We ended up staining them black, and then we sprayed them with a paint sprayer white and kind of left that little dark bit of wood to stick through, which I just love the way it turned out. And this gives us, I think, 8 drawers of storage, and these are about 3 feet deep, 3 or 4 feet deep. And so we're able to store a ton of stuff in this small amount of space that otherwise would kind of just be wasted. This is a great way to have a little bit of extra storage in a really small amount of space. So with this wall, rather than the pull-out drawer, just because I took so long to build, my husband just built this really beautiful wall, and he's gonna build sliding barn doors in order to kind of hide the junk that we still need. We are on the journey to become more minimalistic, but we're not going there all the way. So we still have some stuff that we kind of need to, you know, have out of the way. After we have those barn doors built, this upstairs will be done. Coming downstairs, I just wanted to show you really quickly these 2 super beautiful things that my husband made. Just thought of out of his head that are so practical and so useful. The first is this just stunning little shoe shelf. And he just thought of this out of his head, went out and built it in an afternoon. And I love it. It's a great place to store shoes. I can put the diaper bag on there, and it's just a really neat way to keep our shoes and everything a lot more organized by the front door without looking ugly. The other thing that I just wanted to quickly mention is, in order to cover up this really ugly panel that we weren't really able to move because it's where all the power is, Danny built this little coat rack, and now we can just hang our coats over it. We painted the panel the same color as the walls and textured it exact same way. And when coats are hanging there, you really don't even notice the panel. And this is just such a cute little coat rack. I absolutely love it. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the bloopers. They're at the end. There were lots of them. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. To all of you who've been on this journey the entire time watching these home remodel videos, thank you so much. We really appreciate it, and it's just been so fun documenting the process and going back and being able to watch the old videos and be like, wow, that's how far our house has come. So stay tuned. We will, I'm sure, have more house videos in the future. Like I mentioned, we still have a lot we're hoping to do outside. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! video's over. It's done. You guys about this bathroom and how it was. Ooh. I'll start over again. So in that previous, before the remodel, so in that previous house model before, so, this wall, windows, and, sorry.
What are you doing?
Pouring cement. This is how all my videos go. So much for watching today.